We are looking for people that are driven, who want to be here, and who keep our customers' needs at top priority.
We're constantly looking for those that have a curiosity, those that want to help, those that want to service others. We try to craft a well-rounded team. There's accountability within the team. There's leadership within the team. And to put our people in a position where they can succeed, it takes that teamwork.
What I like about SpangleR is the fact that everybody gets around everybody. If I need help from Contents tells me, hey, what do you need? They need help from me, we send our guys over there. I know I have support here. It's a gigantic family.
It's the family atmosphere here. You know, Josh cares about our employees. It's family owned. And when you walk in this office, you feel that. People that are here want to be here, they care to be here, and they show it every day on our team.
Those that have the patience to dig in and learn the ins and outs of this ever-changing industry, they can be very successful.
So if you think you have what it takes, click the link below, fill out an application. We'd love to meet you.